Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to gain access to this Geberit flush plate. So if you've got one that looks just like this is probably the video for you. So first of all, feel around the outside and make sure there's no screws or grub screws holding this plate down. Check the bottom and the sides especially. If you check for that, then make sure you move on to the next step. If you're still getting stuck, then do please call a plumber. But first of all, you want to do is touch each side and see if there's any movement on the plate itself. Then you want to find the way it's moving. So as you can see, I'm pushing left to right and there's a bit of movement. That's because there's some springs underneath the plate that allow you to pop this off. So what you want to do is push quite firm and the right hand side will pop off. Then push it off, then slide it back to the left, and that is how you get the plate off initially. Put that to one side, then you can access everything in here. So there's two screws holding this black frame to the tiles, so you need to unscrew them two screws, then spin the white things up and down, left and right, and that they will slide out and the whole black plate will then slide off. You can then unclip these two white clips and get to the fill and flush valves inside. As you can see on this sticker, it shows you all the things you need and the directions you need to pull and push things to get things out. So everything is nice and maintainable inside this plate. Then once you've done, you can then screw it all back in reverse order and put your plate back on. So it's got these two clips. So what you need to do is you need to push it on from the left hand side and clip it on from the right. You might need two hands to do this. So push it and then clip it on the right hand side. Make sure it's flush with the tiles and then push it back to make sure it's locked into place. If this video has helped, please do like it, leave a comment if it's helpful, and please do subscribe to the channel for plenty more plumbing content.